we just arrived at our next destination, which is hey, no, it's the Railway Museum of Mysore. So here we are.
So this is the actual engine, and this is the inside cabin of this engine, and there are a lot of gears, of course, which I don't understand what is what karke, but I'm sure this is something about the horn. Because I've seen in the movies and all where they really pull this thing which will then blow the horn, and of course this is all steering and so many other things. And looking at this place, of course, we can clearly say that this was a place where they used to put the coal. This was running because of this is a steam engine, and the coal was used here. And what we came to know by reading the description over there is this train actually was running and was carrying the passengers up till 1993, and 1993 was the last trip this engine really had. After that, this came into the museum. So what is there next, we'll just go through, and I think Aditi will just zoom in here and show you the engine. So people, what you are seeing here is called as MG rail bus, and this was actually a train which was running in the meter gauge rail bus. Then this was running in between Shivamogga and Talaguppa. So the year of built of this coach is in 1930, and this used to run on the meter gauge. So obviously when the gauges were broadened and broad gauge came, the usage of these coaches was stopped. Now this is in the Mysore Rail Museum. We'll just check out inside the interiors of this train. So from inside, this is how this train is. There are around 10 to 12 seating capacities here, and the seats are almost like our BMTC bus seats. And this is, of course, the cabin where the driver used to drive this train. Looks pretty interesting. Don't know much about the engineering of this train though, but it looks very nice and very interesting. So what you're seeing here is called as MG hand crane, and this crane was used to lift the loads up to 5 tons, and this can turn around 360 degrees, and this crane was usually used in the restoration of works in the goods shed. This was also used to load and unload essential commodities from the wagons. So this is built in 1885, and this used to run on the meter gauge, and this is how this looks like. It's quite huge. You can see here they have mentioned the name of the company which has created this. So you can also see here they have mentioned that not to exceed 5 tons, that is it can lift up to 5 tons of the weight. So what you are seeing here is a wooden wagon. This is called as MG wooden wagon. This used to run again on the meter gauge, And this wooden wagon is nearly 100 years old. And the description says that this was found at Hospet depot, Hospet, which is now a district, previously in Ballari district. And this has been used as a toolbox by the railways those days. So this is how the wooden wagon is. You can see that big wheels. So this is how it looks from the outside.